Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the structure of the proteins. So this involves there is a primary protein structure. Primary protein is where there is amino acids, the stabilizing bond and the polypeptide chain. Stabilizing bond is a polypeptide chain. Then next is the secondary. The secondary protein structure. The secondary protein structure is there is a stabilizing bond. That is the H bond, the hydrogen bond. Then comes the tertiary. Tertiary, the stabilizing bond is a hydrophobic, greater than the hydrogen, greater than the ionic. So Hp greater than that of the hydrogen, greater than that of the ionic. So Hp, H and then I. So quaternary also, it is the same thing, quaternary. So this is also the same, that is the stabilizing bond is a hydrophobic. Interaction greater than the hydrogen, greater than the ionic. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.